Welcome back to another video. In this video we'll take a look at which potatoes are really healthier. Which should you be eating for maximum health? Sweet potatoes or regular potatoes? A nutritional debate fueled by misinformation, baseless superfood obsessions, and carbohydrate phobias. Sweet potatoes have been hailed as a hero among health and fitness communities. But are they really healthier than regular white potatoes? Or that you should avoid them because of carbs? Here's how these tuberous root vegetables compare and why both deserve a place in your diet when prepared in healthy ways. Sweet potatoes and regular potatoes are both tuberous root vegetables, but they differ in appearance and taste. They come from separate plant families, offer different nutrients, and affect your blood sugar differently. Sweet potatoes typically have brown skin and orange flesh but also come in purple, yellow, and red varieties. Regular potatoes come in shades of brown, yellow, and red and have white or yellow flesh. Both types of potatoes are healthy and delicious heritage foods. And for overall nutritional value, it's a virtual tie. You can eat and enjoy both, regardless of your goals. Both potatoes are rich in fiber, carbs, and vitamins B6 and C. White potatoes are higher in potassium, whereas sweet potatoes are incredibly high in vitamin A. But what about the carb? Will it cause weight gain? Actually, the carbs in potatoes and sweet potatoes are mostly starch and fiber, which help you stay lean and healthy. In fact, partially due to their carbohydrate content, potatoes and sweet potatoes are highly satiating foods. We eat them, it gives us energy, and leave us satiated for a long time. All because of potatoes contain beneficial resistant starch. It's a complex starch molecules that we can't digest at all. Resistant starch and fiber get fermented in the gut, and producing short-chain fatty acids. Although both sweet potatoes and regular potatoes are high in carbs, they don't act the same way in our body as high-carb processed foods. Both regular and sweet potatoes have vitamins, minerals, fiber, and energizing carbs, when eaten as part of a balanced and intentional diet. Provide a fantastic array of nutrients while contributing to the satiety and deliciousness of any meal. So the tubers themselves are not necessarily to blame. It's all the stuff we serve them with in unhealthy ways. Like regular potatoes turned into French fries, or baked and mashed with butter and cream, or topped with high-calorie ingredients. Healthy cooking method for potatoes and sweet potatoes are baking, boiling, or roasting. Generally healthier than frying them. Because the starch when fried, can create harmful acrylamides. What is the benefits of eating potatoes and sweet potatoes in a balanced diet? It will help you achieve health and fitness goals. Gives you steady and slow burn energy to fuel you longer and keep you fuller longer. Makes you feel psychological satisfied and physically satiated. Gives you antioxidants, that help control oxidative damage in your body. So, we know that regular potatoes and sweet potatoes can be part of a healthy diet. We just need to adjust portion sizing and food choices based on individual body size, carb needs, your goals, food sensitivities, and other individual preferences. That's it for now. If you like this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want a comment, you leave them below. And if you click subscribe button and a little bell next to it, you'll know every time we post something new here. Thank you for watching.